Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, I, Rania Nur Ainun, will presentation about institution at Muhammadiyah. The definition of an institution has been regulated in the Muhammadiyah's Article of Association, as stated in Chapter 7 of the Assistant Leadership Element, Article 20, Paragraph 3. An institution is an auxiliary element of the leadership that carries out some of the tasks of supporting Muhammadiyah. The institution of Muhammadiyah have eight institution. The first is Branch Development Institute. This institution was formed to strengthen the bridge as the basis of the movement through the process of structuring, strengthening, improving, and developing new bridges toward progress in various aspects of the Muhammadiyah movement. The main tasks of Branch Development Institute include 1. Reactivating bridges, dead or half-dead or stagnant bridges. 2. Streamline and intensify the branch function as a leader who fosters members and congregations. 3. Forming new branches, especially in rural areas and large urban centers. And the last, turning on and enlivening the recitations of leaders and members with various alternative models. The second institute, Financial Supervisory Institution. The main tasks of the Financial Supervisory Institution include 1. Develop and promote the financial management system of the Union, its assistant leaders, and its business charities. 2. Fostering and supervising the financial management of the Union, its assistant leaders, and its business charities. 3. Conduct a study on the general financial system as a consideration for the Union leadership in financial policy. The third, Research and Development Institute. This institution has the following duties. 1. Facilitate and assist research activities through cooperation and development of research networks at home and abroad. 2. Encouraging innovation, creativity, and the discovery of new programs in the field of science and technology that are useful. 3. Encourage and carry out research on Muhammadiyah. The fourth, Disaster Management Agency. Muhammadiyah Disaster Management Center, or MDMC, is a Muhammadiyah institution tasked with coordinating the mobilization of researchers in disaster emergency response, disaster mitigations and preparedness, and post-disaster rehabilitation. Then the fifth, Zakat, Infak, and Sodako Institution, or we call Lezismu. Lezismu is tasked with assisting the leaders of the Union in receiving, storing, and distributing funds from Zakat, Infak, and Sodako from Islamic communities and Muhammadiyah members. And then the sixth, Institute for International Relations and Cooperation. This institution has the main task, among others, 1. Develop harmonious and mutually beneficial cooperation with various agencies, both government, private, as well as domestic and foreign. 2. Take an active role in efforts to build a just and civilized new world order. 3. Develop cooperation with various parties, both at home and abroad. And the last, streamlining cooperation with various groups, both at home and abroad, to increase the role of Muhammadiyah and Muslim more broadly, as well as anticipating all forms of bullying that are detrimental to Muhammadiyah and Muslims. Then the seventh, Institute of Wisdom and Public Policy. This institution has the main task, among others, one, develop a special institution as a thinking group task with conducting continuous studies on various national issues and national policies that concern the people at large. Two, actively and creatively participate in efforts to strengthen civil society and uphold democracy and human rights. Three, continuing the anti-corruption movement by utilizing the cooperation that has been initiated so far. And last, organizing political cadre education and compiling guidelines on Islamic politics. And the last is Institute of Art, Culture, and Sport. This institution has the main task, among others, the first, develop an appreciation of art, literature, and Islamic tourism. The second, producing films, books, and performing art that carry the message of Islamic civilization and treatise. The third, conduct studies and criticism of artistic practices and various publications that are contrary to the values and norms of Islamic teachings and the human character and civilization. And the last, encourage cooperation with various parties in the development of Islamic arts and culture. That's my presentation. If you have question, please ask me. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, sir and my friend. Now I will presentation my PowerPoint about Muhammadiyah Autonomous Organization. Next. Ortom in Muhammadiyah. The first is Aisyah, and then Pemuda Muhammadiyah, and then Nasyatul Aisyah, and Ikatan Mahasiswa Muhammadiyah or IMM, and then Ikatan Pelajar Muhammadiyah or IPM. Next is Tapak Suci Putra Muhammadiyah, and the last is Hizbul Waton. Next. The first is Aisyah. Aisyah is an autonomous organization for Muhammadiyah women, which was founded in Yogyakarta on 22 Rajab 1335 HTO, coincide with 19 May 1917 by Nyai Ahmad Dahlan. Next. And then Pemuda Muhammadiyah. Pemuda Muhammadiyah is one of the autonomous organization of Muhammadiyah, which is an Islamic movement, Amar Ma'ruf Nahi Munkar. Pemuda Muhammadiyah was established with the aim of gathering for fostering and mobilizing youth or Islam and increasing their role as cadre to achieve Muhammadiyah goals. And then Nasyatul Aisyah. Nasyatul Aisyah is a young women's organization which is one of the autonomous organization of Muhammadiyah. This organization was founded on 28 Zilhijjah 1345 Hijriah, which coincided with May 16 as 1931 AD in the city of Yogyakarta. Next. And then Ikatan Mahasiswa Muhammadiyah. Ikatan Mahasiswa Muhammadiyah is an Islamic student movement organization as well as a Muhammadiyah autonomous organization that is engaged in religion, student affairs, and society. IMM was established locally in Yogyakarta on March 14, 1965 AD or 29 Sawal 1384 Hijriah and became national in 1965. Next. Ikatan Pelajar Muhammadiyah. Ikatan Pelajar Muhammadiyah is an autonomous Muhammadiyah organization which is an Islamic movement preaching Amar Ma'ruf Nahi Munkar among students has Islamic faith and is based on the Al-Quran and As-Sunnah. HDI currently excite Ikatan Pelajar Muhammadiyah currently excite in 34 provinsi throughout Indonesia. Next. Tapak Suci Putra Muhammadiyah. Tapak Suci is an Indonesian martial art college with the status of an autonomous organization or Ortom Muhammadiyah, which was officially established on July 31, 1963 in Kauman Village, Yogyakarta. Therefore, then give the full name of the Indonesian Martial Art College Tapak Suci Putra Muhammadiyah. Next is Hizbul Waton or HW. Hizbul Waton, which means defender of the homeland, is the name of the scouting movement within Muhammadiyah. Scouting is an educational system outside the family and school that shapes and nurture the character of children with interesting, fun, and challenging method and is carried out in the open. Next. Okay, that's all from me. Thanks for your attention. If you have any question or suggestion, you can ask me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.